In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files. Then select Audio at the top. Use one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Then click on a file that you wish to add and wait. To add a video on, select Gallery section instead of Files, look for your video here to click on it, or tap on Folders, look for your video and tap on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!